I'll share.
Yeah, I can see your computer.
You can see it? Okay. Who else is on?
Sean.
Hey, Sean.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good, good.
Is it raining down there in Miami, Lauderdale area?
It is.
Yeah, we've had a lot of rain up here.
Yeah. I'm just getting off work, too, so I'm about to tune in on the conference on my ride home.
Okay, cool. Don't be careful driving, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna keep this short, so for 10, 15 minutes. And so I really want to talk about what we're looking at on the screen, which is the volatility index. Okay.
Yep.
And you know, we talk about this a lot, but I really, because things are starting to move, and I want us to understand the importance of this, okay? Because it's real, it's real data, and a lot of what we do, from the performance reports that we do. And you know, we track the Dow, we track housing. Let's see here. So we track the Dow. All right, we track housing, the housing market. Okay, so you see here we had a sales signal in housing back in 2007. And right now, we are right at that same level, okay, of housing, all right? So we track all these macro indicators, okay? Here is oil. Oil is at the bottom here, consolidating at the bottom. So we track all of this because it works. It just works. This data, this macro data works. So I want to spend some time on the volatility index for Forex because it works. Okay? And what I want to show you guys is and we talk about this, there is a reason why there's a popular saying called that selling may and go away. That's real. Selling may and go away for the stock market. So when the U.S. market has a correction, Forex takes over. All right, the Forex market moves. So what I want to highlight is this. Every July, if you guys look here, in July, volatility peaks. And when volatility peaks, that's a huge opportunity for us. Okay? Teresa, why is that a huge opportunity, do you think?
Because it's going to be trending. It's going to start showing trending, especially for the long term, I think, the long-term time slot.
Absolutely. So if we're not aware, right, and we are scalping, right, and the volatility picks up, and we're not in our trending system, and we're in a scalping system, we're going to miss a lot of opportunities. Okay, but we because you guys haven't done this, right? Because you haven't done this, right? I want to show you guys the importance of this. So we're going to go back in time, okay? So here we are right now at 22. 2235 is where the volatility index is. That's where we are right now. We were earlier in the year, we were as low as 9. So it's picked up, okay? A number above, really above 20. I like 25. Means we're actually in the trend, okay? Above 20 or higher means we're starting the trend, Okay, but let's go back. So 2016, here's July. Can you guys see this? July 2016.
Yeah.
Raymond, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so we picked at 40. Okay, July 2015, near 40. July 2014, almost 50. July 2013, we were around 30. July 2012, right around 30. July 2011, around 35. July 2010, near 35. July 2008, we were at 40. 1 second here. Actually, 45. Okay. So you guys see the pattern here, right?
Yep.
Okay. So we're in June. So if we're not focused, if we're trading listen, we can trade, we can scalp anytime. So we can scalp, we can use the scalping system, and we can do that at any time. But if we don't have long positions in place, we're gonna miss the run, because it's going to happen. I can guarantee you guys. I can almost guarantee you guys. Right, and I'll take a bet. I'll take a dollar bet on this, right? That the volatility is going to increase. It's going to increase from where it is. Okay. So we want to be in the 120, the 240, and the daily. Okay. So we want to have some core positions in place, and we can still scalp on the side. So what we don't want to do is have total focus, right? Total focus on the scalping system. So we want to balance it, okay? But we want to lean more towards the trending system. One of the reasons why we've split up the systems so that we've got a separate scalping system and a separate trending system is that we can put the focus where we need to have it. Okay, so the big thing this week is this: we are breaking consolidations. We are starting to trend. We know we're starting to trend because the volatility index. It's not some hypothetical thing that we're looking at. This is real, right? It's real data, right? And we'll see that in some of the pairs. So you'll see the pairs start to break out. They're going to start to trend. You'll see the performance start to improve. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So that's basically what I wanted to go over. Is there anything you guys learned? Well, first of all, any questions on this?
No, not that I can see. No, the numbers that you showed me yesterday, those you want to start with 20 and above or 25 and above?
Okay, so go ahead.
If you're doing the 120 and the 240 and the daily, are we looking, of course, for still the performance and everything has to be good, but you're looking for 20 above or 25 and above? Okay,
so the trending indicator on the individual currency pairs, okay, it's a ranking, okay, it's basically ranking. So when you go through it, right, you want to make sure that you've got your 800 either above the 800 That's your trending indicator. Below the 800, that's your short. So short below, long above, right? So we've got that.
Mm-hmm.
Then we want to look at the performance, right? You want to look at the performance. Then you want to look at, okay, whether it's trending. So whether it's above 25, if the higher the number, the longer the trend. Okay? So what you want to do is this, okay? That indicator is a way you manage risk. So the first place you want to go, okay, if you're trending the trending system, obviously you want the currency pairs that are trending, right?
Right.
Okay, so if you've got 10 trades that you want to take, right? So this is the way you want to look at it. If they're 10 pairs, they're almost identical, right? They've got good performance, they're above the 800. Go to the one that's trending.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, go to the one that's trending. If there's one that's consolidating, okay, not that it might not break out and start trending, but if it's consolidating at 10, or it's consolidating at 18, it's consolidating at 20, then you know, just find the ones, because you're not going to trade all of them, right?
Right.
So just find the ones that have that's trending above 25.
Okay.
Okay. Raymond,
Yep.
any questions?
Oh, no, I'm good.
You good? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Anything that you guys learned last through the week?
Yeah, that if you stay away for a week, you feel lost when you come back.
So could you imagine staying away for a month, right?
Oh my God, you'll have to start all over with me.
Yep. So yeah. When I'm away, I still, you know, I still keep everything with me. So part of trading is being in sync with the market. Okay, so yes, if you go on vacation and you get back, you're going to be totally lost. So, you know, you might not trade when you're on vacation, but at least, you know, try to at least look at the market so you stay in sync. I know it's hard sometimes when you're on vacation. So, but it's, you know, after a week or so, you get back in the routine of things. Right, not a big deal. But the important thing this week is that we are starting to move. The volatility is starting to pick up. Just take it seriously, okay? You guys, you don't want to look back and miss a run, right? A run that's been happening for the last, you know, few weeks, few months, because, you know, we want paying attention to the trending system, okay? Because when the volatility picks up, I'll tell you guys this: when volatility picks up in Forex, that's when the pairs move. That's when they break out. Okay, so we're starting to see that. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So Raymond, I know you're going to be leaving us. Stay close to the conference calls, you know, the chat. So just stay close to us, okay, bud?
Yep.
Okay. And you had a good week. I'm proud that you reduced your position size. Does it feel better once you reduce your position size?
I mean, I felt a little better just to kind of get a feel for things.
Yeah.
Because I'm still making like small mistakes here and there.
Yeah.
Like placing trades by accident or just not paying attention to what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So those are where my biggest losses have come from. Just there's no attention to detail.
Yeah.
I basically set up to where I have my alarm set for 2, And then from 2 to like 4 o'clock, my phone's blowing up, and I'm like half asleep. So sometimes I fuck it up.
Yeah. Well, that's you know.
And then I've been.
Go ahead.
Yeah, and then I've been in this school, which I'm at like 10 hours a day, so that didn't help at all either.
Yeah.
But now that I'm
would be
getting
cool.
back into like a regular routine, I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. Good. Well, those that believe it or not, that's minor. That's it's good that you're aware of it.
Yeah.
That's an easy fix. Those
Yep.
are easy fixes. Okay, so a good job. Welcome back, Teresa.
Thank you.
And just pay attention. We'll continue to post the volatility index on a regular basis, and just we're gonna really watch the trending system. So get your scalping, do your scalping, but pay real close attention to some of the trends, okay? Because you guys don't want to miss them, and they move. I mean, you can do 300, 400, 500, 600 pips, 1,000 pips, right? So we've seen those or more, even more, in a relatively short time. So pay attention to those, okay?
Got it.
Okay.
All right, guys. Take care. Have a good weekend. Talk to you soon.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye.